Why Fan Zhendong is so strong in this Tokyo Olympics? He is unstoppable at this moment. Will he win the gold medal in the Tokyo Olympics? How can he win the Korean star Jeoung Youngsik? This is the match analysis by EmRatThich. Fan Zhendong is in the beast mode. He won everyone 4-0, 4-1 and 4-0. China traveled to Japan this time to get the most gold in the Olympics. The men's single and the team events are very important, so China will send the best player Fan Zhendong and Ma Long. There are no Japanese players in the semi-final, and both Chinese players go to the semi-final without any problem. Here is the semi-final. Timobo, Tomokazu Harimoto and many strong players are eliminated. The top 4 players are not only the strongest but also the most consistent during the tournament. Before analyzing how Fan Zhendong can win the Korean player 4-0, we take a review of the tournament. How Fan Zhendong won Jeoung Youngsik? Fan Zhendong has won 4-0. However, the match duration is 44 minutes, which is longer than the average match, about 10 minutes. It is normal because the average rally is 6 strokes, which is longer than usual. The average rally in the tournament is 4 to 5 strokes per rally. Both players have great control. We can see that Fan Zhendong has won more points on his serve. He controlled the pace of the game. Because Jeoung Youngsik is a backhand dominant player, he is famous for his backhand drive attack. He stands near the middle of the table. Fan Zhendong has more variation. He attacks first on the forehand side of Jeoung Youngsik and make him vulnerable with an empty table. Fan Zhendong then used his powerful forehand attack to finish the point. To deal with a control style like Jeoung Youngsik, you need to change the placement and use the forehand attack to finish the point. Avoid using the backhand rally with Jeoung Youngsik. Look at the footwork of Jeoung Youngsik. When he is out of position, then his return is weaker. This is one of the ways to play against the backhand dominant players. So Fan Zhendong is no doubt the seed number 1 in this tournament. He will play against the Chinese Taipei player Lin Junru in the semi-final. I think that this time China can ensure the medal in the men's single event.